How to cultivate potatoes, even if you have never gardened before. Picture going out into your yard, grabbing dinner out of the ground, and sinking your hands into it. Not just a dinner, but fresh, homegrown potatoes. Gold, firm, earthly, delicious. Imagine now doing this with only a bucket, a bag of earth, and some neglected potatoes from your kitchen counter. Sounds insane? It's not. Actually, this could be your most fulfilling gardening project yet. Millions of people are asking, however, how to grow potatoes. The genuine surprise is that you neither need a large yard, non expensive equipment, or even experience. All you want is a way, a small secret passed down from modern days hackers and old school stakers as well. And by the time you finish reading, you understand how to do it yourself. Plus, how to get your friends and followers sharing your stories. Grow with us. Why grow potatoes? Food prices are going up. People are regaining control of their food supply. Potatoes are the most modest heroes of all. Why not? They develop quite readily. They are filling and calorie dense. They are extremely durable. And when they grow, they taste 10 times better. Learning how to cultivate potatoes is therefore not only about gardening, it is about reclaiming your food and also your health. How do potatoes grow? Before we begin to work with our hands, it helps to know how potatoes sprout. They are tubers, not roots. This implies that they arise from the potato plant's underground stems rather than from the roots themselves. Thus, you are providing the plant more room to grow tubers whenever you hew up soil or add more layers to the container. That is the mystery. There are four steps method working. Number one, you can choose your container. 1 gallon bucket, a grown bag that may be used over and over again, a trash can, one big pot or crate. The approach is precisely the same if you want to grow potatoes from a bucket or you want to grow potatoes in a container. Make sure your container has drainage holes and a depth of at least 12 to 18 inches. Step 2. Select seed potatoes, not store bought potatoes sprayed with sprout inhibitor. Use certified seed potatoes. Divide them into pieces. 1 to 2 eyes each, allow them to dry for 1 day. Step 3. Layered and plant. At the bottom of your container, lay 4 inches of soil, nutrient rich soil, eyes facing up. Cut down your seed potatoes. Cover with 3 to 4 inches of earth. Water gently now and wait. Step 4. Hew as you grow. Add more soil to cover the bottom half of the plant as the green shoots grow to be around 6 inches tall. Keep working until you come at the top of your jar. From 2 potatoes to 20. This is how you make that transformation. How long do potatoes take to grow? Potatoes are remarkably fast. Most types range from 70 to 120 days. One might wonder how many days potatoes need to mature. That depends on the sort. Early, 70 to 90 days. Mid season, 90 to 110 days. Late, 110 to 135 days. It is harvest season when the plant starts to yellow and die back. Feel like opening a treasure chest as you dump a pail and watch all those potatoes spew out. When to plant potatoes and how deep to plant potatoes. You plant 2 to 4 weeks before the last frost is customary in most areas. Potatoes thrive on chilly starts. You want to know how deep to plant potatoes? Aim for 4 inches deep and always hew up as they grow. Too early, they turn too late, they burn. Timing is everything. Bonus: developing sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes grow unlike to tubers, they are vines. Thus, how to grow sweet potatoes? Begin with slips, sprouted shoots from a sweet potato. Plant them in a mounted dirt or containers with plenty of room to spread. Though they are worth it, they need warmer soil and longer growing seasons. Typical mistakes to avoid: overwatering. Potatoes despite saturated roots. Too little soil healing. Leaves will grow but no tubers. Planting in bad soil. No nutrients result in little use. Avoid planting potatoes year after year in the same earth, not turning crops. How to grow potatoes in a bag? Ideal for limited areas. A dream for space-saving gardener would be reusable grow bags. Want to know how to raise potatoes in a bag? The same approach. Fill the soil in the bottom. Add potato seed. Water hew soil up as they develop. Bonus: open the side panel and glance at your development. You are planting potential side hustles, conversational starters, content ideas, and people adore food growing tales in unusual location. One man gained 80 pounds inside a trash can in New York. A woman produced her potatoes on a fire escape. Another man grew a full barrel just utilizing a compost kitchen leftovers. That's your turn. Raising potatoes is more than garden maintenance. Therapy is what it takes. It's a matter of survival. It is a bread. Acres are not necessary. You are inexperienced. Hence, you don't need any. All that you needed is a container, a few sprouted spots, and a desire to dirty your hands. You discovered how to graze potatoes in a pot, in a bag, even sweet potatoes. You now understand the timing, the depth, and the critical areas to stay away from. Now, it's time to attempt it yourself. Would you attempt potato cultivation this way? Have you done it? Your one potato growing advice is what? Drop in the comments.